Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1971 Chevy Camaro. And of course, I want to call it basically a rowdy vehicle. Of course, the second generation Camaro everybody loves, especially since it is a split bumper. Of course, the one we have here almost resembles the one we had before. As you may recall, seeing on Skyway Classics Dallas page, we have stock number 2499, actually an identical 71 Camaro. But anyway, going to the one we have here featuring a green exterior. As you do see, it has the black stripes come from the top. It does have the appropriate Z28 5-spoke wheels. It has the spoiler in the back with the Z28 logo on it. Now, of course, the reason why I'm turning it around so quickly is because this kind of vehicle is a little rowdy for the road, as I had mentioned earlier. But moving on to the inside now, having the very unique shifter here. Although it is a manual, it's almost like a 3-speed, but in reverse. You actually have reverse up where one should be, and it goes down the process 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. But other than that, you got an aftermarket 3-spoke steering wheel. You got the old school speedometer there with the tach working. You have a late model radio, aftermarket oil pressure gauge. You do have the twin Camaro style bucket seats along with the nice leather back seat. And of course, one of the added packages to the vehicle, besides the old school roll-up windows, adjustable mirror, and the radio, is the vintage AC, which is actually nice. Of course, right now we don't really need it since we are down here in Florida and it is still January. But other than that, going underneath the hood, featuring that nice small block Chevy. As you can see, it has been powered up a little bit, tuned up as well, featuring those nice headers and that nice style look. Definitely a way to go with a second generation Camaro. Other than that, what a nice thing about it is they actually painted the underneath of this car identical to the top, which you will see in the pictures. But as for now though, we're just going to get it turned around again up on the hoist, so just stay tuned to see the underneath.